CNSP stock analysis and CNSP stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So CNS Pharmaceuticals stock is sitting at 100. What am I talking about? It's at 11 cents. It is 2.3% up. And just observing this is how the chart looks like. Freaking awful price action, but we'll get into it. I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course, summon trips, documented everything. And like relatively speaking, CNSP, man, before here, like it began from being bearish, tapped the lows, went up, and I said I want to see double breaks take things low. Gave me the first break. Double break is beneath this low, but it's not going to be enough time for me to, you know, to trade it. So I said, right, I'm leaving it like this, how it is, and I'm just going to wait and observe ultimately, because look at this trend. It's been going down the whole 2024. What's the likelihood of it that it keeps going down? Pretty high, you know. So that's my 2 cents, not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.